Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great, and if you are new here, my name is Fariha, and on this channel I love to talk about plants, gardening, and how to keep your garden green and beautiful all year around. Winter season is here, and I know many people think winter is not good for plants. Some people stop gardening in this season because they believe plants cannot survive the cold. But the truth is, winter is actually a great time to grow many amazing plants. In this video, I am going to share with you my top 5 favorite plants that grow really well in winter. These plants are perfect for beginners. They are easy to care for, look beautiful, and can grow in your home, balcony, or small garden. I will also share tips for watering, sunlight, soil, fertilizer, and how to keep your plants healthy during cold weather. So make sure to watch the full video until the end. Let's first talk about why winter gardening is so special. Many people take a break from gardening in the winter, but this season can actually be very helpful for plants and gardeners. First, the air is cooler and cleaner. That means your plant don't get stressed from too much heat. Second, there are fewer insects in winter, so your plant can grow without too many problems. Third, some plants actually love cold weather. They grow faster and healthier when the temperature is not too hot. Winter gardening also make your home look fresh and full of life during the dull and cold months. Seeing green leaves and colorful flowers can make you feel happy and relaxed. Another big benefit is that winter plants usually need less water. You don't have to water every day like in summer. That means less work and less worry. So, if you love plants like me, winter is not the time to stop gardening. It's time to grow something new. The first winter plant I want to share with you is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that grows really well in cold weather. It's full of vitamins and iron, and it is very easy to grow even if you are just starting gardening. Spinach loves cool temperature. In fact, it grows best between 5 centigrade to 15. In hot weather, spinach grows too fast and become bitter. But in winter, it grows slowly and tastes delicious. How to plant it? You can grow spinach in a pot and in a grow bag or directly in the soil. Choose a pot with drainage hole, fill it with good garden soil mixed with compost, and sprinkle the spinach seeds on the top and cover them lightly with soil and water gently. Keep your pot in a place where it gets 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily. Spinach does not need full strong sunlight. Morning sun is perfect. Water your spinach 2 to 3 times a week. Keep the soil moist but don't make it too wet. When the leaves become big and green, cut them carefully from the bottom. Don't remove the roots, new leaves will grow again. The second one is my favorite, it's marigold. The second plant of my list is marigold. Marigold is one of the most popular winter flower. It is the bright, colorful and brings so much beauty to your garden. You can find marigold flowers in orange, yellow and even red shades. Marigold loves winter sun. It blooms for a long time during the cold month and add life to your garden. You can grow marigold from seeds or small plants. If you are a beginner, I recommend it starting with small plants. Use a medium-sized pot with good soil and compost. Marigold loves sunlight. Keep it where it gets at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Water only when the soil feels dry and don't give too much water. Remove the old dry flowers regularly. This will help you flower to bloom. Marigold can also keep away some insects like mosquitoes, and it is not just beautiful, it also protect other plants in your garden. Third plant is lettuce. Lettuce is soft, fresh and grows very well in winter. You can grow it in a container in your balcony or in your kitchen garden. Lettuce loves cool weather and grows fast when the temperature is between 10 to 20 centigrade. In winter, it does not need too much care. So, lettuce seeds is soft, loose soil, cover them lightly and water gently. Within a few days, you will see small green leaves. Lettuce like bright light but not strong heat. Morning sun or light shade works best. Keep the soil moist. Don't let it dry out completely. Water every 2 to 3 days and depending on the weather. Start picking the outer leaves when they grow big enough. The inner leaves will keep growing. The bonus tip is homegrown lettuce tastes much better than the store lettuce. Plus, it's fresh and chemical free. The fourth one is pansy. Pansies are beautiful winter flowers and come in so many lovely flowers like purple, white, pink, blue, and yellow. They are small but very pretty and give your garden a bright and happy look. Pansy grow well in cool weather and bloom for many weeks during winter. Use a pot or hanging basket with good soil. You can buy small pansy plants from a nursery. Keep the pansy in a sunny spot around 5 hours of sunlight daily. Water lightly. The soil should be moist but not too wet. Remove faded flowers to help new ones grow. The bonus tip is pansy look great near windows, balconies, and hanging baskets. They make your home feel fresh and colorful during the cold months. The next one is carrot. Carrots are root vegetables that love cool weather. They are easy to grow, healthy, and fun to harvest. Carrot grow best in temperature between 10 to 20 centigrade and use deep pot or grow bag with soft loose soil and sow the seeds and cover them lightly. Carrot take time to grow but they are worth the wait. Keep them in sunlight for around 5 hours a day. Water regularly but don't let the soil become soggy. The time is bonus tip. Don't pull the carrots too early. Let them grow fully before harvesting. Check the top of the carrot above the soil to know when it's ready. Now that we talk about all five plants, let's quickly look at some journal winter gardening tips to keep all your plants healthy. Number one, always use good quality soil mixed with compost. Water your plants in the morning so they stay warm during the day. Don't overwater. Too much water is cold weather can damage the roots. Remove dead leaves or flowers so your plants stay clean and healthy. If it gets too cold at night, cover your plants lightly with clothes or keep them inside. Check your plants regularly. Happy plants need love and attention. Let's talk about some common questions I get about winter plants. How often should I water my plants in the winter? Usually 2 to 3 times a week is enough, but always check the soil first. The number 2, can I grow these plants inside my home? Yes, you can. Just make sure they get enough light and proper ventilation. What if the leaves turn yellow? Yellow leaves can be a sign of overwatering or not enough sunlight. Check your plant's conditions. So, friends, these were my top 5 plants that grow well in winter. And all of these plants, easy to grow, need low maintenance, and are perfect for making your home garden beautiful during the cold season. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you are new to gardening, winter is the best time to start because these plants don't need too much care. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy gardening tips. Also, leave a comment below and tell me which plant you are going to grow this winter. Thank you so much for watching. Stay warm, stay happy, and keep growing.